Hello, my name is Devin Taylor, and this is for the 2.8 Weekly Update 1. So the milestones that I have completed are actually highlighted. These are both milestones that I was supposed to complete on this first sprint, and I did in fact complete them, which I'll be showing in my app progress over here. Let's see, it says on this one, on every game info page, there will be a summary of the game, its ESRB rating, and the reasons for it. Those will in fact be here. And on this one, it says the app will have an average rating from reviews already given on a game. Now, on this case, I have not fully completed getting it connected to Firebase, and there are no reviews right now on any of the games. So this does have a function for each of the pages that it's supposed to be on, and I did give it some dummy values just to see if the function worked, and it does in fact, which I will be showing you here. Now on this, I have two setups, a sign in and create. We're going to assume that the user has just created or just downloaded this app. Now, it does not save anything here currently because, as I said, I do not have the Firebase connected, so this has no function at the moment. This will be the user list with generic stuff at the moment, and once I get the actual Firebase set up, I can start saving these in. The edit button currently does nothing, but that's not in this sprint. It will be completed this next one. If I click on reviews, I have a loading icon here, so that way the user does know that something's happening. And as soon as it is done loading, takes a minute, it does in fact load up. Now, currently I can only load 50 games on here, and of course, as you can see, it does take all of the games, including the ones that are not in English. At some point, if I continue scrolling up, this right down here will actually start loading more games, and then it will continue to scroll. I just have to continue to work on that. This right here is the user rating from the user reviews. Again, as you can see, they're all the same, and this is because I have yet to actually have any reviews in here. Now, for the game info page, oh, and as you did see, the rating is here. The user rating is here, and then if I click on here, the user rating is also here. Now this right here is the name of the game. This would be the genre, the platforms, the rating, and then the reasons for that ESRB rating. This is the summary, and then these will be the actual reviews. So far so good on that. I did meet my milestones for this. Now to continue, this is my time. Now this is from the rescue time. It actually included the time from my Xcode as well, but I do have the Waka time for that exactly. So about 9 hours spent on my on this sprint for this project. The biggest problem, well, the biggest thing that took the most time is actually the API and getting it connected to where it will actually work for this. I do have a default photo in case there is no cover art for any of these. And then for the ones that there are, it does pop up as cover art. So for the Waka time, I just took into consideration anything possibly else that I have used in here. So the reference and learning business. So basically any of the websites that I visited to try and get more information on what I needed to do or how to do it. So I had two pictures here because Sunday for some reason is considered on a new week. So from Wednesday on, and then of course here, I have roughly 3 hours of web time and about 9 hours worth of here. So overall, 12 hours of log time on this project. So I'm a little ahead on where I'm at for the API currently. So I'm doing pretty good, and I should make good time for the following checkpoints, milestones. Thank you so much and have a good night.